Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Today morning, one student has made a call to me and requested whether it is good to join for CA Inter Crash Batch at this moment, that is on August 24th, 2021. So after giving advice to him, what I thought is, it is better for all the remaining students also to know the information shared with that student. First of all, we need to understand that this time we are offering CA Inter Crash Batch coaching for Group 1 and Group 2 in 3 different modes. First one is physical mode. That means classes are being conducted physically in our Guntur branch. So if the student is interested, he can now come and join in that physical batch also. And he needs to listen to the classes that are remaining. Sir, what about the chapters that got completed till today? Very simple. We will provide the recorded videos of the same classes that got completed till today through Masterminds online classes app. And students will be given 1.5 views. 1.5 views means a video of 1 hour can be watched for 1.5 hours. So we will provide the video lectures of all those chapters completed till today through the Masterminds online classes app. This is option number 1. Option number 2, second option is we are already telecasting the live classes of the physical batch through Zoom platform. That means whatever the classes that are being run in physical classroom so can be attended by the students through Zoom platform also. So he can stay at his home and he can watch and attend the classes through Zoom platform. That is the second option available to the students. So if you are interested, the student can attend CA Inter Crash Batch coaching through this mode also. Sir, what about video lectures of the chapters completed till today? Very simple. We will provide access to the video lectures, that is video recordings of the chapters completed till today through our Masterminds online classes app, and we will give 1.5 views. So student need not miss any of the chapters completed till today. And third and the most affordable option is to purchase the recorded video lectures through Masterminds online classes app. That means whatever the classes being taught by us in the physical classroom, we are recording on daily basis and we are uploading them in our Masterminds online classes app. And the best part is, so the fees is just 10,000 rupees for each group. So interested students can directly install our app, Masterminds online classes. It's an Android app, and search for CA Inter Crash Batch. So CA Inter Crash Batch videos will be readily available. Students can purchase whatever the crash batch that they want. And the best part is, even they can purchase subject-wise video lectures also. And remember, these are not old recorded videos. These are currently being recorded in the live classes, that is physical classes that are conducting right now. So all the 3 options are available to the students. Among all these 3, the best option is purchasing the video lectures through Masterminds online classes app, because he will not miss any of the chapters. So when you purchase the videos through Masterminds online classes app, we will be giving 6 months of validity. That means students can watch these videos on or before 6 months from the date of purchase. And one more thing, we will be giving 1.5 views. 1.5 views means 1 hour video can be watched for 1.5 hours. So in all the 3 options, student can join, even select 2 subjects also. Even in our app, even individual subject wise videos are also available, and students can purchase whatever the subjects that they want. So in this manner, all the 3 options are available to the students. If the student belongs to iOS platform, then he needs to install an app called Class Plus in App Store and should enter the organization code as MZGUN. So if at all you are interested to take admission in any of the groups of CA Inter or any of the subjects of CA Inter Crash Batch, then please do make call to our number 9885125025 or 26. All the best.